So today I threw on some driving lights because the low beam on this thing just sucks ass at night. We'll see if these help. Just got them kind of mocked on there for now. Obviously the bolts are too long. Be cut down. But I'm going to get them all adjusted right once it gets dark. Alright, so I noticed you couldn't really see the brackets in the video, but these are like the fork brackets I used. I'll leave a link to all this stuff. The brackets, the wiring harness, the lights. They're handster. Crazy. But yeah, they just screw on here, stick out. This bracket that came on the light, I had to flip around backwards. It normally faced this way. But with this angled up, I couldn't really get them to aim down. And then this light would hit this. And the problem is this side I can go lower, but on the other side you can't. Jesus. Because that's where the brake lines and stuff go up in there. So I think it's about an inch. Moved them up. Try to get them as level as possible. And the lighting in here is amazing, but yeah. So let's put those brackets on like that. Flip the ones on the lights. And then the relays right here. See, I just covered it in black electrical tape so it don't stick out too bad. All the wiring kind of tucks away. Hidden enough. There's some Amazon specials. I don't want something super ass bright. You know, this isn't an off-road bike. There's a lot of them that are way brighter than these from the reviews I've seen and videos. I want something I can just leave on. Not worry about blinding traffic too much. So right now the only way you can ride this thing at night is with the high beam on. On, you know, dark roads. If the roads are lit up, you're on a freeway, it's fine, but I'll try these out. I'll be back out later tonight, get them adjusted. I'm going to cut the excess off. It's pretty tricky getting them on here where they won't hit when you turn. The wiring harness I got wasn't very long, so the relay had to go right there. You know, it's got a switch, handlebar mounted switch. Yeah, of course they look bright to me right now, but we'll see how much they actually light up. It should help out with visibility, you know, for cars seeing you at least. Actually act like little driving lights. I got the windshield off right now too. You know, that windshield I like about it's just these 4 screws right here, on off. 5 minutes. Not a big deal, no brackets, nothing. So to me they appear brighter than the stock headlight. As far as people seeing you. Try out the high beam. Yeah, you can see the high beam is like considerably brighter. That's the way the low beam should be. Just drive around like that all day. Took the seat cover off, windshield. Yeah, I'm like blinded now. I'm staring into the damn light. Off, ignition. That's what the OI stands for me. Makes it easy to remember. Ignition. You already know the O is for off, right? Or is it on? No. Makes no sense. Couldn't find any brackets or anything online on how people mount lights. You know, I've seen them put a spacer on here and then put the light here, which is a good idea, except it's just going to totally block my turn signal. No one's going to see that. There's a couple bolts in here you could probably use, possibly, but then there'd be two lights right like that. That might be an option. Alright, hell, I could have just bolted them onto one of those, but then I wouldn't have had my windshield no more. There are times I like that thing. You're going cruising out on the highway and stuff. Definitely helps. See how I mount the little tail bag on there? I just cut all the crap off, all the D-rings, straps. These are the straps that are already on your seat. Just zip tie them right to those straps. But you cut the D-rings off them. You can slide it forward, move it back, but I mean, it's on there. Gives it a much cleaner look. Spray paint that crap black. Away you go. Hell yeah. Alright, let's head out of here. Might as well see if the lights will start on fire or burn out. If I just leave them on while I'm driving. Hopefully I'm joking on that one. Yeah, they're aimed like right straight down. I can see them starting to shine off signs though. Come out. Definitely check them out at night. I moved them out a little bit. May be able to go out a little bit further. There's my normal headlight. What the hell that guy was doing? Probably watching me. I don't think they'd blind anybody. I stood in front of it and turned them down until they weren't blinding me standing there. We'll see. Where's the music, fool? Holy crap, what is that? Goddamn raccoon. Oh, this app ain't even coming up now. I know in the past the GoPro video I've taken trying to take of light bars and stuff never shows shit, but sometimes you can tell. I think right there is pretty good. Where's the brights on this thing? They're not lighting up that light or that sign until I get right there. So they shouldn't be blinding people. Definitely don't look like they're going further than my headlight. They're just lighting up the area a lot more. I'll try this. See, like the brights are like way better. Use them both at the same time now. I might even move them up a little more. For now, I'll leave them here. That's probably as good as they'll get without blinding anyone. It's pretty good. I think that's perfect combination, high beams and these. Definitely bright. See, if I was in a car over here, it'd be fine. Definitely gonna notice it. See, they're way brighter down here. Straight on, they're gonna hit you. Good enough for now. All right, see ya.